If you're a home cook, you need to hear this. LPG is the secret to greener, cleaner cooking. Imagine whipping up your favorite dishes, knowing you're doing good for the planet. LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, isn't just another fuel, it's a game changer. With lower carbon emissions than traditional fuels, LPG helps you cut down your carbon footprint, all while cooking up a feast. Not only is LPG better for the environment, but it's also better for your health. Say goodbye to smoky kitchens and hello to cleaner air. That means less coughing and fewer respiratory issues for you and your family. And let's talk convenience. LPG heats up quickly and evenly, giving you perfect results every time. No more waiting around for the stove to get hot. Ready to make the switch? Join the thousands of home cooks who are already enjoying the benefits of LPG. It's easy, efficient, and eco-friendly. Plus, you'll be doing your part in creating a greener planet, one meal at a time. So next time you fire up the stove, make sure it's with LPG. Because every meal cooked with LPG is a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Switch to LPG today, and let's cook up a better future together.